Are you watching TV9 News? I'm Pratibha. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is campaigning extensively in the Jungle Mahal region. Once a bastion, TMC lost out on its vote share as the BJP made inroads in the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. West Bengal is seeing a bitter battle play out in the months leading up to the elections. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is trying to ensure a third term for herself, while the BJP is attempting to clinch the state. The biggest worry for the Trinamool Congress is the vote share that it conceded to the BJP in the previous assembly election as well as Lok Sabha elections. Didi has been focusing on many remote villages and rural areas, in particular the Jungle Mahal region. So what's the significance of the area? Well, Jungle Mahal was once a hotbed of Maoist insurgency. There are 4 districts in the Jungle Mahal area, and this is of political significance: Purulia, Bankura, West Midnapur as well as Jhargram. Now, traditionally, the region backed the left parties, but it was in 2011 that it all changed for Mamata Banerjee. The area also holds a special significance for Mamata Banerjee herself, as she has been credited with ending the insurgency in the area. Not just that, she has also been credited for a lot of rehabilitation work for the people, from boosting tourism in the region to bringing in reforms, providing land to the Ramakrishna Mission to work with the tribals. Mamata Banerjee has also done a lot towards the people of the region, particularly the tribals of the region. But despite all of these developmental works by the TMC government, the BJP made significant inroads in the area. In fact, in 84 of the seats reserved for the SCs and STs, the BJP secured massive leads in the Lok Sabha elections. It even won 5 of the 8 seats in these districts during the Lok Sabha elections. Now, the tribal population from these regions have backed Mamata Banerjee, and this was in 2011. They went on to become a big vote bank as well, but with the BJP's entry in West Bengal and its aggressive push, a lot has changed. As we remember, Amit Shah had also had lunch with a tribal family in Bankura district as well. That as well was to send out a political message. The tribal population is 5.8% of the total population of the state. So there have been several promises that have been made as well by Mamata Banerjee herself as well as the BJP. Mamata Banerjee struck a chord with the population there, as she told them that the BJP is worse than the Maoists. This is the kind of the bitter battle that's going on in West Bengal, and it's extremely significant for Mamata Banerjee as well to ensure that she gets back the support from the tribal population, because they are also going to have a significant say in the politics of West Bengal, over 5% of the votes, and in 2011 it was overwhelmingly in her support, but now BJP making inroads. An extensive campaign has been launched by Mamata Banerjee, but the BJP has also made a dent to her chances. What's going to happen in the assembly elections would be interesting to watch. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. Please like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.